10 English phrasal verbs for communication. Talk over. Talk over. To discuss something thoroughly. Example: let's talk over the details of the project. Speak up. Speak up. To say your opinion about something you believe is wrong without fear or hesitation. Example: teachers are aware of the problems but don't have the courage to speak up. Catch up with. Catch up with. Talk to someone whom one has not seen for some time in order to find out what they have been doing. Example: it's always good to catch up with old friends. Fill in. Fill in. To provide information that someone is missing or unaware of. Example: can you fill me in on what happened yesterday? Get across. Get across. To successfully communicate or convey a message. Example: it's important to find a way to get your ideas across. Lay out. Lay out. To explain or present something clearly and in detail. Example: he laid out his plan for the new project. Put forth. Put forth. To propose or suggest an idea. Example: I'd like to put forth a suggestion for our next meeting. Cut off. Cut off. To interrupt the person in the middle of a sentence. Example: I didn't mean to cut you off. Please continue. Talk down. Talk down. To discuss someone or something in a way that makes them seem less interesting or attractive. Example: there's an art to informing people without talking down to them. Hold back. To refrain from saying something that one wants to say. Example: I had to hold back my feeling during the meeting.